Hello viewers, welcome to our channel Career Prep. In this video, we'll solve a few basic problems on the topic time and work so that you can have a better understanding of the concept. Since questions based on this topic are most frequently asked in competitive exams, it makes sense to understand the concept well. These questions are the ones where marks can be scored easily if practiced well. Before we begin, please subscribe to our channel. Also press the bell icon to get notifications as soon as we post a new video. So let's start. Rita can complete a piece of work in 40 days, while Seema can complete the same work in 60 days. If they both work together, then how many days will be required to finish the work? You're given four options here and you have to find out which of these options is the correct one. Now it's given that Rita takes 40 days while Seema takes 60 days to complete a work. So Rita's 1 day work is 1 by 40 and Seema's 1 day work is 1 by 60. Rita and Seema's combined 1 day work is equal to 1 by 40 plus 1 by 60, and on solving this we get 1 by 24. Now you know that the number of days required to finish the work is nothing but the reciprocal of 1 day's work. So here the reciprocal of 1 by 24 is 24. So together Rita and Seema will finish the work in 24 days. So the correct answer is option C, 24 days. A, B, and C can complete a piece of work in 24, 6, and 12 days respectively. Working together, in how many days will they complete the same work? You are given four options here and you have to find out which of these options is the correct one. Now it's given that A takes 24 days, B takes 6 days, and C takes 12 days to complete a work. So A's 1 day work is 1 by 24, B's 1 day work is 1 by 6, and C's 1 day work is 1 by 12. A, B and C's combined 1 day work is equal to 1 by 24 plus 1 by 6 plus 1 by 12. On solving this, we get 7 by 24. Now the number of days taken to complete the work is the reciprocal of 1 day's work. So here the reciprocal of 7 by 24 is 24 by 7. So all the three together will complete the job in 24 by 7 days. 24 by 7 days is nothing but 3 by 7 days. So the correct answer is option C, 3 by 7 days. P can complete a work in 12 days, working 8 hours a day. Q can complete the same work in 8 days, working 10 hours a day. If both P and Q work together, working 8 hours a day, in how many days can they complete the work? So here you are given four options and you have to find out which of these options is the correct one. Now it's given that P can complete a work in 12 days, working 8 hours a day. So P can complete the work in 12 multiplied by 8, that is 96 hours. It's also given Q can complete the same work in 8 days, working 10 hours a day. So Q can complete the work in 8 multiplied by 10, that is 80 hours. So P's 1 hour work is 1 by 96 and Q's 1 hour work is 1 by 80. So P and Q's combined 1 hour work is equal to 1 by 96 plus 1 by 80. On solving this, we get 11 by 480. Now you know that the time taken to complete the work is the reciprocal of 1 hour's work. So the reciprocal of 11 by 480 here is 480 by 11. So both P and Q working together will finish the work in 480 by 11 hours. Now it's given that P and Q work together and they work for 8 hours a day. So If P and Q work for 8 hours in one day, they'll work 480 by 11 hours in 480 divided by 8 multiplied by 11 days, which is nothing but 60 by 11 days. So the correct answer is option A, 60 by 11. Two painters A and B can paint a bungalow in 3 days. If A alone can paint the bungalow in 12 days, in how many days can B alone complete the same paint work? You are given 4 options here and you have to find out which of these options is the correct one. Now you know that A plus B's one-day work is equal to A's one-day work plus B's one-day work. Now it's given that A and B can paint a bungalow in 3 days. So A and B's one-day work is 1 by 3. It's also given that A can paint the bungalow alone in 12 days. So A's one-day work is 1 by 12. Substituting these values in the equation here, we get 1 by 3 is equal to 1 by 12 plus B's one-day work. So B's one-day work is equal to 1 by 3 minus 1 by 12. On solving this, we get 1 by 4. B's one-day work is 1 by 4. Now we know that the number of days taken to complete a work is the reciprocal of 1 day's work. So here the reciprocal of 1 by 4 is 4. So B alone can complete the same paint work in 4 days. The correct answer is option A, 4 days. A and B can finish a work in 6 days. B and C can finish the same work in 12 days. If A, B and C together can finish the work in 4 days, then in how many days can A and C together finish the work? You are given 4 options here and you have to find out which of these options is the correct one. Now it's given that A and B can finish a work in 6 days. So A plus B's one-day work is 1 by 6. It's given B and C can finish the same work in 10 days. So B plus C's one-day work is 1 by 10. It's also given A, B and C together can finish the work in 4 days. So A plus B plus C's one-day work is 1 by 4. Now we are asked to find in how many days can A and C together finish the work. To do that, let's first find A's one-day work and C's one-day work. Now here we know A plus B plus C's one-day work. Now if we remove B plus C's one-day work from here, we'll get A's one-day work. And if we remove A plus B's one-day work, we'll get C's one-day work. So A's one-day work is equal to A plus B plus C's one-day work minus B plus C's one-day work. This is nothing but 1 by 4 minus 1 by 10. On solving this, we get 3 by 20. Similarly, C's one-day work is equal to A plus B plus C's one-day work minus A plus B's one-day work. This is nothing but 1 by 4 minus 1 by 6. On solving this, we get 1 by 12. So A plus C's combined one-day work is equal to 3 by 20 plus 1 by 12. On solving this, we get 7 by 30. Now we know that the number of days required to finish the work is the reciprocal of 1 day's work. So the reciprocal of 7 by 30 here is 30 by 7. Hence, A and C together can complete the work in 30 by 7 days, which is nothing but 4 2 by 7 days. So the correct answer is option A, 4 2 by 7 days. A can do a piece of work in 4 hours. B and C together can do it in 3 hours, while A and C together can do it in 2 hours. How long will B alone take to do it? You are given 4 options here and you have to find out which of these options is the correct one. So here you are asked to find how long will B alone take to uh, complete the work. To do that, we have to first find B's 1 hour work. Now it's given A can do a piece of work in 4 hours. So A's 1 hour work is 1 by 4. It's given B and C together can do it in 3 hours. So B plus C's 1 hour work is 1 by 3. Also it's given A and C together can do it in 2 hours. So A plus C's 1 hour work is 1 by 2. So A plus B plus C's 1 hour work is equal to 1 by 4 plus 1 by 3, which is nothing but 7 by 12. Now we know A plus B plus C is 1 hour work. Now if we remove A plus C's 1 hour work from this, we'll get B's 1 hour work. So B's 1 hour work is equal to A plus B plus C's 1 hour work minus A plus C's 1 hour work. This is nothing but 7 by 12 minus 1 by 2. On solving this, we get 1 by 12. Now we know that the time taken to complete a work is the reciprocal of 1 hour's work here. So the reciprocal of 1 by 12 is 12. So B alone will take 12 hours to do the work. The correct answer is option C, 12 hours. A can do a certain work in the same time in which B and C together can do it. If A and B together could do it in 10 days and C alone in 50 days, then in how many days can B alone do the same work? You are given 4 options here and you have to find out which of these options is the correct one. Now here you are asked to find in how many days can B alone do the same work. To find that, first we have to calculate B's 1 day work. Now it's given A and B together could do a certain work in 10 days. So A plus B's 1 day work is 1 by 10. It's also given C alone can complete the work in 50 days. So C's 1 day work is 1 by 50. So now A plus B plus C's 1 day work is nothing but 1 plus 10, 1 by 10 plus 1 by 50, which on solving will give us 3 by 25. This is equation 1. Now it's given A can do a certain work in the same time in which B and C together can do it. This means that A's 1 day work is equal to B plus C's 1 day work. Now substituting B plus C's 1 day work in equation 1 with A's 1 day work, will get 2 multiplied by A's 1 day work is equal to 3 by 25. So A's 1 day work is equal to 3 divided by 25 multiplied by 2, which is nothing but 3 by 50. So A's 1 day work is 3 by 50. We know that A plus B's 1 day work is 1 by 10. So B's 1 day work is equal to 1 by 10 minus 3 by 50. On solving this, we get 1 by 25. We know that the time taken to complete a work is the reciprocal of 1 day's work. So here the reciprocal of 1 by 25 is 25. So B alone could do the work in 25 days. So the correct answer is option C, 25 days. Viewers, please go through this video till you have understood the concept. Practice more such problems to increase your speed and also to understand the concept clearly. Please do watch our video on chain rule for solved problems on time and work for better understanding. If you have liked this video, please like, subscribe and share this video. Thank you.